Hi everyone, this is Somendra Kumar and today I am here with a new one. It is a very true and fine reality of this world that life is very short, and it will always seem short to every one of us because we are so engrossed in our works that every time seem less to us compared to our work. The thing that we must focus on is that during this whole period of life, whole period, you will come across so many choices and so many opportunities, so many. And the thing that you need to do is that just make most out of those choices, make most out of those choices and that you have right now. Yeah. And while when you will have so many choices in front of you, at one side you will feel so overwhelmed, okay, that you have so many choices with you. Yeah. And at other side you will feel somewhat burdened. And some of you, not all, some of you may feel burdened in the sense that you will have pressure to choose out of those choices. Yeah, this may be the case. And sometimes you may be waiting for those choices to come for you. You may be eagerly waiting and huge need of those. You may be in huge need of those choices. And sometimes you may feel those choices to be unexpected, very unexpected. And at this point of time, you will see that you are so confused that what to choose and what not out of those choices, because you were not prepared for those choices. You were not ready for those choices to encounter them. No, you were not ready. But while making those choices, you must consider and you must make sure that in future, whenever you are living your life, at any point you are not regretting those choices. You are not in a condition where you are very sad and disappointed, thinking that it would have been better if you would have made that choice, or you would have made this choice, or whatever it can be. So it must be taken care today itself, right now, when you are making choices for you, so as to proceed in future. Yeah, today itself you must take care of it. Don't blame in future yourself about that. And you know what, it is very important that the choices that you make today, they will determine that the number of regrets that you will have in future. It is better to say that you may have in future, because I am not saying that you will definitely have regrets. No, I am not saying that. You may have regrets. Yeah, because there may be a case that the choice that you made may obtain you better results, and other case may be that the choice can give you worse results, or very unexpected, that you didn't want. So obviously no one is so perfect that he or she can determine earlier that whether this choice will do good to him, or obtain better results, or better outcomes for him, or that choice will give better results, so I should not choose. No, we can't do it. That is totally out of our control, out of our capabilities, totally. And instead of that, we should focus on the thing that we should be able to limit the regrets that we may face in future, through the choices that we make today. Yeah. And or we should make the choices for which we have to face either we have to either face least number of regrets, or no regrets. So here is the thing where we need to focus on. And one thing you must keep a note of it is that how successful you are today, will be determined by the choices that you make today. Yeah, those choices that you make today itself. And do you know what is the difference between a person living a great life and a person living a mediocre life? It is totally based on the choices that you make today. choices that you make today for yourself, they will determine that. And obviously, person with a great life might have made better choices in his past than the person living a mediocre life. Now, as you have been offered so many choices with you, you have so many choices with you, so you are free to choose whatever you want to choose out of those choices. You are completely free, but you are not free from the consequences of those choices. You are not free. You will have to face those, and may it be bitter or may it be fruitful, you will have to bear them, and you yourself only bear them. The thing you can do here is that just try to limit those regrets that you may face in future. Just do that. That is enough. And because the choices that you make today, they may break your family and or they may make your family. Both can be the scenarios. And simply we can say that they can flourish you or they can become burden on your heart forever. There can be anything. And in case you have made wrong choices, then you will literally have no one to blame other than you. You will have no one. You will blame again and again yourself only. And in case you are blaming others for those regrets or for those choices, then stop it at that time only. Stop it. Stop blaming everybody else for this, because that way you will never learn. As you have already made wrong choices, so you will never learn and you will never grow after that, and you will keep on repeating those silly mistakes and those unwanted or unexpected mistakes again, over and again. You will keep on doing that, and this process will go on if you will not stop that. So stop blaming others for the works, for the things that went with you.